What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, this video, you guys, I'm going to be taking you into my session with my coach, Helen Brouchard, two-time Olympian, competitor, bodybuilder. She is amazing. So you're gonna see how hard that she makes me work and how much pain that I'm in, but I love it so much. So I just wanted to do this video to be a part of my vlog for my countdown to competition kind of journey. So I want to show you me with her, and then that's pretty much it. So this vlog is very simple and short and sweet. You can see kind of behind the scenes of how I have to train. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell when you want to be notified when I upload new videos. But other than that, you guys,
I try to change for you, but you stay the same.
what I'm sitting at about 127 pounds for my weight. Not that weight matters. I'm eating about 1,800 calories a day, 200 grams of carbs a day, about 200 grams of protein a day, and anywhere from 50 to 70 grams of fat a day. That's kind of what I'm at. And sometimes, give or take, those days alternate between high and low carb days. Other than that, you guys, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. I'm enjoying my workouts. I do switch up my workouts quite a bit. If I get bored of an exercise, I just pick a different option for that muscle group and do something different so I don't get bored. But enjoy this video, you guys. Watching. Thank you for tuning in again. I love you all. You guys are so amazing. Again, if you wouldn't mind subscribing and leaving me comments, as this helps my channel grow. Share this with somebody that it may inspire. And again, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.